You literally pled guilty not 10 days ago, and now you're back again. You now stand charged with the offense of fleeing a police officer. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Sierra traveling at a high rate of speed in a residential neighborhood. The motor vehicle attempted to slow down once they noticed the marked patrol vehicle by hitting the brakes. At that point, the officer observed a defective taillight. The officer quickly turned on emergency lights and sirens to attempt a traffic stop. The motor vehicle failed to signal, making a right-hand turn and continued driving while the officer was behind the vehicle with lights and sirens. The defendant continued driving approximately half a mile at speeds ranging from 10 to 20 miles per hour in a residential neighborhood. The defendant disregarded 2 stop signs. And then
How fast in the residential neighborhood did you say?
Sorry?
How fast?
10 to 20 miles per hour. The defendant disregarded 2 stop signs and then parked his motor vehicle in front of his residence and opened the motor vehicle door. The defendant was then detained. He stated that he was coming home when asked why he did not stop, and was identified by his passport.
So no license?
There is no driver's license on file.
Mr. Melendez, you're not allowed to drive. If you do not have a Texas driver license and you don't have liability insurance, you're not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising you're not going to drive. I don't care what you need to do in life. If you don't have either, both, and permission from us, do not drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Since the 10 days, you put your arms down. Since the last 10 days that you were here, what have you done to change your life? What better have you done?
So, I'm almost going to school. Right now, I'm doing a job, Chick-fil-A.
That is now a condition. You must do one of either, in school or a job. I'm going to appoint your lawyer today, and I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well. You understand? All right. I'll have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box.